What if one plant could fight hunger, heal bodies, and even purify water? Behold the Moringa, the tree of life, bursting from the earth with miracles in every leaf. Moringa, known as shigru in Sanskrit, thrives in drought areas. Every part of this tree is usable, from roots to flowers, making it unique. Let's dive into its health benefits. Moringa has 25% protein content, which is rare for planting. It contains 7x more vitamin C than oranges. Studies show a 92% reduction in child malnutrition in Niger, showcasing its potential. How can you consume Moringa? For a modern twist, add a teaspoon of Moringa powder to your smoothie. You can also use Moringa oil for skin or add it to tea for a refreshing beverage. Moringa comes in various forms. The powder is great for smoothies, but check for fillers. Capsules offer convenience, but may have lower bioavailability. Moringa oil is perfect for beauty but shouldn't be ingested. Fresh Moringa offers maximum nutrients but can be hard to find. Scientific studies back Moringa's impact. Research shows a 29% reduction in blood sugar levels. The WHO has noted a significant reduction in malnutrition in countries where Moringa is grown and consumed. Globally, Moringa makes a huge difference. UNICEF uses Moringa in feeding programs, improving child nutrition significantly. Traditional medicine also values Moringa. In Sri Lanka, it's used for postpartum recovery. In Senegal, it supports malaria treatment. The Philippines calls it malunggay, known for enhancing lactation. Ready to join the Moringa movement? Moringa's versatility extends beyond food. It plays a pivotal role in traditional practices across different cultures. In Nepal, the leaves are often mixed with rice to create a nutrient-dense dish embraced by families. Through community education initiatives, information about Moringa cultivation is spreading, promoting sustainable agriculture. Furthermore, its deep root system prevents soil erosion, enhancing land productivity over time. As communities witness these benefits, there's a growing movement to plant Moringa beyond just personal gardens, encouraging reforestation efforts. In this way, Moringa serves as both a nutritional powerhouse and a beacon of ecological resilience. By embracing this tree, families are not only investing in their health but also in the future of their landscapes. With initiatives raising awareness, these communities are reaping the rewards as they cultivate a greener planet. Moringa is indeed a tree of hope, intertwining health and environmental sustainability. As more people adopt its benefits, the demand for Moringa products continues to rise, fueling local economies. Through cooperative groups, farmers share techniques, ensuring that the knowledge of Moringa cultivation is passed down through generations. Each Moringa tree planted solidifies a community's commitment to health and sustainability, proving that together they have the power to combat malnutrition globally. Join this movement and let the legacy of Moringa inspire you and future generations to thrive. With educational programs expanding, schools are incorporating Moringa into their meal plans, sparking interest among children and parents alike. This initiative not only promotes healthier eating habits, but also encourages students to take part in local farming projects. By involving youth in the cultivation process, a new generation gains an appreciation for this extraordinary plant's potential. As they learn to grow Moringa, these students become advocates for its myriad benefits, ensuring that the knowledge of its importance is preserved and shared within their communities. In embracing Moringa, communities worldwide are not only enhancing their nutrition, but also nurturing the earth, ensuring that both people and ecosystems thrive harmoniously. Through collaborative efforts, the legacy of this remarkable tree will continue to inspire and provide sustenance for many generations to come. When schools integrate Moringa into their curricula, children learn about nutrition, agriculture, and caring for our planet. It's a journey fueled by hope and commitment, proving that when communities come together, they can profoundly change their futures. Children grow up witnessing the tangible benefits of their family's hard work, fostering pride and responsibility towards nurturing both their health and their earth. Local leaders are stepping up, advocating for the integration of Moringa into food security policies and health initiatives. Moringa truly stands as a symbol of resilience, hope, and communal strength as the world collectively embraces a healthier future. As more people adopt moringa farming, a wave of sustainability practices is blooming, leading to better land management and healthier ecosystems. Together, they plant the seeds of change not just for themselves but for future generations, ensuring a thriving legacy rooted in hope, health, and equality. This cycle of nurturing moringa promotes a paradigm shift, allowing communities to envision a world where food security and ecological stewardship are inherent rights, achievable through unity. The content in this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for personalized guidance regarding your health. Do not disregard or delay seeking medical advice based on anything presented here. If you enjoyed learning about moringa's superpowers, 1. Smash that like button. It helps more people discover plant-based health. 2. Comment moringa below. Have you tried it? Favorite way to use it? 3. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop science-backed natural remedies every week. 4. Share with a friend who needs an energy nutrition boost.